Once upon a time, there lived an old lion in a jungle. The lion had become quite weak, due to which he was unable to hunt. One day, the lion found a gold bangle. The lion took the gold bangle and went to a bank of a river and started waiting for travelers to pass by. Then he saw two men coming. The lion started saying loudly,
Take this donation. Take this gold bangle for free.
The men did not pay heed to the lion and went away from there. After a while, the lion saw another man passing by. Once again, the lion started announcing loudly,
Take this donation. Take this gold bangle for free. I want to donate this and get some blessings.
What? A gold bangle?
Hey, brother. Come and take this gold bangle as a donation. I want to give this gold bangle for free. I will get some blessings then and will go to heaven.
Oh, wow. You want to lure me to you due to greed of the gold bangle so that you can kill and eat me? I will not fall prey to your tactics.
Oh no, brother. You are misunderstanding me. Now I have become a pure vegetarian. I can't eat meat anymore.
No, but no thanks. I don't trust you at all.
Now I am an ardent follower of God. Previously I have hunted many animals, and after killing them I used to satisfy my hunger. I have sinned a lot, but now I am worried what will happen when I die. By doing charity, burden of sins lessen, right?
On hearing what the lion said, the man started believing that the lion was now a vegetarian. By doing charity and giving donations, he wants to lessen his sins. Slowly he came toward the lion but stopped a short distance away.
Come closer to me. Why did you stop?
As that man was greedy, he trusted the lion. But he was also afraid from within, that if the lion kills and eats him, then what will be the use of the gold bangle to him? But he was too greedy for the gold bangle. Then the man racked his brains and said,
I know that you are a follower of God, but still I am afraid. So throw the gold bangle towards me. I will take the bangle and you will get your blessings.
After listening to the man, the lion said,
All right. As it is, I have to do charity. But there is a problem.
What's the problem in throwing the bangle towards me? Don't you have that much strength also?
That is not the problem.
It means that you don't want to donate only, but just make a fool out of myself and eat me up.
By saying this, don't make me a sinner. I was just saying that I am sitting here to donate only. I will throw this bangle towards you. But first, you will have to take a bath in this river to cleanse yourself and become pious. Because if I donate to a pious person, only then will I get blessings. I want to donate only to a pious man.
The traveler was entirely consumed by his greed. He was getting a gold bangle for free. He said,
So this is the matter. I will at once take a dip in this river and cleanse myself. Then I will be eligible to take your donation, right?
Yes, absolutely.
On agreeing to the lion's condition, he immediately jumped into the river. But as soon as he went into the water, he was caught in the current that pulled him down. As it was a whirlpool, the man started screaming loudly.
Hey lion! Hey lion! I'm caught up in this whirlpool! Please come fast and do favor on me! I'll be grateful to you my whole life, or else I will die. Come fast!
Keep patience. I will surely do you a favor.
After saying this, the lion caught the man in his paws, tore him apart, and ate him. The old lion, who could not work due to lack of strength, achieved his goal by his smartness and cunningness. Moral of the story: greed never pays.
Do subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to watch latest videos. Please don't forget to leave your comments. Please like our videos and share them to your friends.